Hi, welcome to Seek and Shop. We're a technology company that uses AI and natural language understanding to improve search, user experience, and assistance on e-commerce websites. In this demo, we'll introduce our two products, natural language search and voice search. Typically, e-commerce companies use Solar or Elasticsearch, which is a string-based matching technology, to build their search. Due to limitations of this search, companies are missing out on long-tail, detailed, or specific searches. Of these, specific searches are most important because 20% of specific queries drive 80% of search transactions. Essentially, companies are missing out on high converting shoppers due to their search limitations. At Seek and Shop, we aim to solve this problem by providing search that is 95 to 98% accurate compared to industry standard of 75 to 80%. Additionally, with the paradigm shift towards voice, chat, and natural language interfaces, shoppers are seeking a better product discovery instead of clicking through a series of filters on mobile apps or websites. Our natural language search and voice search enables an experience where user can type or chat freely to find relevant products faster and make shopping hassle-free. Ultimately, we want you to focus on other aspects of your business while we help improve conversion through our search. Talking about conversion, let us walk you through other search dependent metrics. Research says people who search are people who buy because there is a significant increase in average order value, conversion rate, time spent on site, etc. for people who search. Normally, these are the different types of search in e-commerce. Without much further ado, let's see our products in action. For the purposes of this demo, we have chosen specific use cases to benchmark our search against some of the dominant players in this space. The first use case I would like to demonstrate is a multi-brand and price-based search. Suppose a user is looking for a front-load washing machine in IFB and LG above 32,000 INR. The search only returns IFB and LG washing machines in the inventory, factoring in the price range I'm looking for, everything above 32,000. Now let's look at the same query on Flipkart. Search returns some IFB and LG results, but search does not factor in the price I'm looking for or the brand I'm looking for. It's showing me Samsung, Bosch, LG, IFB, and so on and so forth. Essentially, it's returning every product where there is a title match in the inventory. The next use case I would like to demonstrate is a simple multi-brand use case. Let's say I'm looking for Apple and Samsung mobiles. Our search recognizes that I'm looking for the popular Apple and Samsung mobiles, and it displays even up to the last page only either Samsung or Apple mobiles in the inventory. So there is absolutely no noise. Now let's see the same query on Amazon.com and Amazon.co.in. Let's try Amazon.in first. Amazon.in thinks that I'm looking for Apple banned Samsung mobiles, and it displays a bunch of smart smart watches in the inventory. Now let's look for the same thing in Amazon.com. Amazon.com also surprisingly does not recognize that I'm looking for mobiles and displays mobile accessories instead. The next use case I would like to demonstrate is associated with a specific brand and configuration. Let's say a user is looking for Apple calling tablets with 127 GB space and 9.7-inch screen size below 45,000. This is the config they are looking for. Our search only returns the results that are relevant to the request that the user has put in. So we are only showing 9.7-inch, 128 GB, iPads or calling tablets in the specified price range. Now let's look at the same query on Flipkart and Amazon.co.in. Let's say the same query. Search returns a bunch of noise. Let's look at the price high to low. It still displays gamer keyboards, etc. So it's still noise. Let's see what Amazon.co.in has to show. Amazon.co.in recognizes that I'm looking for Apple calling tablets. So based on the title search, it's showing me iPads. The next use case I would like to demonstrate is a natural language search use case. Find me 1.5 ton 5-star AC below 30,000 INR. Our search identifies the context that I'm looking for ACs or air conditioners and factors in the price of 30,000 and displays results for all the ACs that are less than 30,000 INR. Now let's look at the same use case on Amazon.co.in. This use case does not work on Amazon.co.in. It displays one relevant result of AC because of the title match and a bunch of noise. The next use case is a near optimal use case. Let's say I'm looking for 12.5 megapixel, 2.5 GB RAM config. Our search understands that I'm looking for a mobile. It understands the context and approximates 12.5 megapixel to a 13 megapixel camera, a 2.5 GB to a 3 GB RAM. Now let's see what Flipkart and Amazon show for the same use case. So Flipkart has changed my query, but let's see if I pick the one that I'm looking for. It shows me a couple of mobiles and a bunch of smartwatches, accessories, etc. Let's say what Amazon.co.in has to show. This use case does not work on Amazon. Let me show you the capability of our voice search, which is the first of its kind. First use case is a natural language use case. Find me a 13 MP selfie camera phone. Voice search returns exactly what I'm looking for. Mobiles with a primary or secondary camera of 13 megapixel. Imagine the superior customer shopping experience or increase in bottom line your e-commerce site or mobile app can generate via our voice search. From a customer standpoint, it would certainly make shopping more fun and time saving. The next use case is a brand and model specific query. Show me only LG side-by-side refrigerators. Search returns only relevant products in the inventory that match the desired criteria. The third use case is a brand and configuration based use case. Find all calling tablets with 9.7-inch screen size or 128 GB from Apple. Search returns iPads or calling tablets that match the desired memory or screen size. The next use case is a multi-brand and price range specific query. Show me LG and Samsung AC between 20,000 and 40,000. Search only retains air conditioners in the desired price range from only the two brands that are Samsung and LG. We demonstrated that our search is powerful than large e-commerce sites with greater than 95% accuracy and 50 to 100 milliseconds response time. We guarantee minimum 20% increase in conversions for specific searches and average order value. Our patent pending technology has native auto-suggest, self-learning, personalization, and search merchandising capabilities among other things. We are the first voice search as a service provider for most markets. We provide all these capabilities with minimal integration time. So what are you waiting for? Let us help you capture your high converting shoppers. Reach out to us at info@seekandshop.io.